guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholarly Spirits. Here, introduction, right? My introduction. Well, my name is Prachi Rekhali and I'm not someone who is so special. I'm just like one of you. Yes, I'm just like one of you. And the most important thing is that I'm someone who is very creative, I'm very innovative, and I love to explore things. And that is why I have come here to tell you this similar thing. Friends, you all know that the circumstances today are not favorable to us, right? And we all are somehow on the other way, feeling depressed. We are feeling extremely, we are feeling extremely sad that we cannot enjoy what we want to. We cannot go out, we cannot relish ourselves, we cannot go for having a movie in the cinema hall, and we cannot do anything. But friends, there is one thing which we can do still now. हम आज घर पर बंद हैं, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट अगर मैं अपने जैसे लोगों की बात करूं, आई एम अ क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट बेसिकली एंड आई हैव डन माई क्लास 12. बस मैं क्या बोलूं दैट बिकॉज the result has not come, an exam is pending, plus college admission, we are not knowing about it when it is going to be, right? But in all this havoc and this kind of chaos, we still have some rays of hope, and we must welcome that rays of hope. Those rays of hope are extremely beautiful, and that is that the quarantine time which we have been given to us, the lockdown period which is being extended so much, has actually made us realize our potential. It has made us do several things, and I'm really happy about that. Not happy because the pandemic has caused a chaos, but happy because people have decided that they can work from home as well. Teachers have made us realize that their efforts, their constant support, their constant motivation is everlasting. It's never gonna end, right? The students, they are proving themselves. They are sitting from home without any coaching, without anything. They are going from online studying and then they want to reach heights. Similarly, some of the employees, they are working from home. Right? So, अभी भी हमें ऐसे बहुत सारे examples देखने को मिल सकते हैं जिसमें लोगों ने अभी भी कोई आशा नहीं छोड़ी है. They are constantly working for themselves. But yes, I mean it. इतनी न्यूज आ रही है. There is so much chaos over there. The people are dying. Without any reason, they are dying. What can we do? The nature needs time for relishing as well. We all know that we have. Achha, let me talk about one thing. You know that, have you ever, I'm from Delhi basically, so let me share the experience of Delhi right now. By God, I have never experienced such an overwhelming weather anyways, any time before. It's so beautiful nowadays. You can find, the light which is coming from the sun is purely white. Without any pollution, without anything. Similarly, the breeze which is there, the air which is there, it's all so beautifying and it's, it's relishing. It's refreshing me again and again. It's making me feel delightful. And the reason is that there is no more pollution nowadays. So, the nature is telling us something, it's giving us signals that we must also keep a track over the activities which are doing. Because जो हम activities कर रहे हैं, they are somehow or the other deteriorating the nature. So this is kind of a signal which the nature has given us कि hey human beings, hey homo sapiens, please, please, please keep a track over what you are doing. But again, this is a pandemic. We cannot say much about it, and it's really a bad issue that the governments are facing so much cruel problems. The doctors are in such a trauma. They are having so many patients one at a time. They have their own families, but they can't do anything. So we must respect them. We must think about them. We must not behave carelessly. We should know that, if we are there at home, then also we are showing our patriotism for the country. For the sake, we are at home and we are protecting the nation. Protecting the nation in the sense because we know that even one of the person gets infected, it spreads within minutes. It spread within hours and days. So the only solution, as you all know, I won't repeat it, that we must use sanitizers, we must use masks, we must do this and that. But mainly I would say that the most important thing is we must keep ourselves motivated, we must keep ourselves healthy. That is the most important thing. And yoga, lifestyle, everything should go on the way it is. It should not be altered at all. The best thing is that nowadays the people have decided and they have realized that we should know how to live in this way, right? अब लोगों को समझ आ चुका है कि जो हो रहा है इट्स हैपनिंग, यस इट इज हैपनिंग, बट देन ऑल्सो दे आर ट्राइंग देयर लेवल बेस्ट. कुछ लोगों को कुकिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, सो दे आर गोइंग फॉर इट. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक यू शुड गो फॉर all the heavy kind of ingredients. No, whatever you have at home, you can utilize that to make anything special. You can go for painting, you can go for dancing, you can go for singing. There is a lot of the things available which you must go for. And if you are a student like me, then 101% sure I can understand what you are going through, and especially if you are in 10th, 9th, 11th, 12th, even if you are in college, the last year, the second year, the third year, any year of the college, or if you were the person who was about to get a job, I can understand all of the things. But then again, we must understand that the time period which we are getting is crucially important. It's very important because in this period of time we can do whatever we want. For example, I wanted to be a YouTuber from childhood. Since childhood, I had an urge that I wanted to go on YouTube. I wanted to share something on it definitely one day, and I found it. Yeah, this is the best time I can share something with the audience, because I know the audiences are also available and I'm also available for them every time they want me. So hence, this was all about a very I know the video is gonna be long, but still I would like to say thank you so much for sitting here till now and listening to whatever I said. And I hope you would be able to relate with me somehow, because I know that this is very hard time and almost all of us are going through it. So I'm just hoping that the pandemic gets, it drives out soon from the entire world, not only from India, not only from Asia, but from the entire world. Hey God, we can just pray from the God, from the Almighty, that please, please, please save us from this pandemic. And please, since you have got a lot of time to refresh, since you have got a lot of time to get recreated, please come out with a better version of yourself, and that is the ultimate goal of life. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't worry guys, I'll always with you and I'm going to share many of the things with you which you will definitely find interesting. Thank you so much. All my wishes to your family, to your near and dear ones. Wish you a very safe and sound health. Thank you so much. Thank you.